Algorand price today is $0.111621 with a 24-hour trading volume of $88.06 million, market cap of $870.61 million, and market dominance of 0.07%. The ALGO price decreased -0.91% in the last 24 hours. Algorand reached its highest price on June 21, 2019 when it was trading at its all-time high of $4.77. While Algorand's lowest price was recorded on June 10, 2023 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.092051. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.092051, cycle low. The highest ALGO price since the last cycle low was $0.140635, cycle high. The Algorand price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while fear and greed index is showing 53, neutral. Algorand's current circulating supply is 7.80 B ALGO out of max supply of 10.00 B ALGO. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 12.24%, meaning 850.35 MALGO were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Algorand is currently ranked number 10 in the proof-of-stake coins sector, ranked number 3 in the Algorand network sector, and ranked number 24 in the Layer 1 sector. Algorand EMA10 really shows a generally falling pattern in a kind of significant way. As far as Algo support floor goes, it is currently 29 cents. In a kind of significant way, Algo down 0.61 in about 7 days. They thought in particular that Algorand is worth about 12 cents right now. This video will show you how to do an algebra cost on July 31, 2023. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions, like what is the current price expectation for Algo? Algo support and resistance levels, etc., are very important. But before we got too deep into the Algo, a technical analysis gave us a chance to talk about how the market is doing right now. Let's take a look at how the market has been doing in the last 24 hours. 207,461,109,687 show how Algo support and resistance levels and other things work in a simple way. The total trade value stays at $23,363,779,520, which is kind of important. Bitcoin has a share of 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a sort of dominance of 16.33%, which is a very large number. This is what caused Bitcoin's price to rise to $30,172.69 after a rise of $1.17, so algorithms, support and resistance levels, and other things like that are very important. In the past 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone up by 0.71, bringing it to $1,897.29. Or so. This shows that Bitcoin has 48.56% of the entry market and Ethereum has 16.33%. Coco's BCX fell by 0.77 cents, which is a large change. All of these things show that the market is going down. Support and resistance are important technical signs used to find key price levels where the trend could change. This is a very big deal. Support is a level where buyers become more busy and stop the price of a coin from going down even more in a big way. Resistance is a level where sellers become more busy and stop the price of a coin from falling further in a big way. Before we get too far into the Algo trend analysis, the current Algorand price is 12 cents and there have been 35,179,261 trades in the last 24 hours. Let's talk about what's going on in the market right now. In the last 24 hours, market study shows that they've lost 1.8%, bringing the total market for cryptographic money to $1 trillion. Since yesterday, Algo's market capitalization has grown by 1.46. And its price has risen by 71 cents to 1897.29. This is a big change for a digital currency like Ethereum. Algo price research shows that Algorand is worth 12 cents on July 31, 2023. July 31st, 2023, in this video, we'll walk you through the algorithm cost investigation for now or for all that counts a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the questions that people often ask about important problems. The facts bay is mostly about short-term cost expectations for algorithm. And algorithm is mostly about a very smart interest in a very important way. We use the extremely normal relative strength index. Moving averages for RSI right now, bears are in charge of the market, and Algo's price has fallen below the critical support level of 29 cents. This is a big deal. And Williams's percent R pointer has been at 40.299 for the last 14 days. At this point, an exchange-like sign is usually possible to show how many other digital currencies there are. For example, in the last 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone up by 0.71 to 1897.29. This goes against what most people think, which is that they all go up when one moves. The US dollar is just a normal combination and difference, and the matte line is going under the exceptionally signal line. This normally means that bears are doing well after losing 0.77 in value. The BCX went up to 60 cents for cocoa. This was shown in the total strength file. RSI shows that Algo is getting close to the oversold zone, as RSI is 31. This definitely shows that as Bitcoin's price stays around $29,366, down 22 cents on Sunday, people are worried about the decreasing daily trade volume, which could mean that whales are leaving the market. Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, says that cryptocurrency is very risky and that fraud is a regular problem, which adds to the confusion. The German authority recently pulled their application for a license because they were worried about Binance CEO, which makes the crypto scene even more confusing. Right now, the value of BTC/USD is going down because SEC Chair Gary Gensler talked about the risks and worries in the Bitcoin market. Gensler has said that crypto is a highly risky asset class that is full of fraud. He has also warned investors that securities law doesn't protect them in this area. How much will Bitcoin cost? When Bitcoin went up to $29,000, it got a lot of support. Several candle patterns, like a doji and a spinning top, closed above $29,000. This barrier shows that this is true because Bitcoin is selling for just under $29,000 at the time. Which is a defense. This resistance is made even stronger by a downward trend line on the 4-hour chart.